So after you subscribe to Facebook group LeadsBot #1, the basic version, you'll find it under My TaskBot in Zero Work Marketplace. And you'll follow these 5 steps before running this TaskBot. For the ones that are using this as their first TaskBot from this marketplace, you will have to install the desktop agent to run any of these TaskBots. So please watch this video here where it explains how and where to download it. How it shows on your computer will be this little icon here. And that's where you know that you have the agent installed here. You can check for the updates and some other features that will be explained in the video. The next thing for social media accounts, we need to download this cookie, the browser extension. It's called Edit This Cookie. So after you download it, it looks like a little cookie here in your pinned taskbar. So you just open it up and click on this arrow facing to the right, which copies the script right here in your clipboard. And then you paste the cookies, the script right here. Okay, so the next step, number 3, is to insert the Facebook group URL right in this input field. So what you do is go to the Facebook group where you want to generate your data from and copy the link. After you click on the members here, you copy the link and then paste it right in here. This #1 represents the first row of your new data table. It will be changed and increased after each run. In other words, when your bot stops or you stop your task bot, this number will be replaced by the number of the last row from your data table. So now let me show you how the task bot will run. Okay, so we are ready to check the data table by clicking on View. We already have 15 contacts added into this data table. So now if I was going to stop this TaskBot, what happens is this number here is going to be changed to the number of the last row. Okay, so that should be 18, and that's the number of contacts that are added to this table. So let's take a look, and as you can see, it's number 18 here. And right now we can resume this bot just by clicking Run Now. Don't touch this number if you're adding more members into the same group and same data table. If you change into different group, Facebook group, and you're starting new data table, then change this number to #1, starting with the first row. Okay, so should you decide to start generating data from a different Facebook group, open your current data table and see how many contacts you have in there. In this example, there was 84. And now you can export this data table into CSV or JSON files. All right, so after you export, then you can just simply delete this data table just by clicking delete. And now you can start generating a new data table from new Facebook group. So then again, you have to go to a Facebook group of your choice and insert the correct link, replace it over here. And don't forget to change this number to #1, since this is going to be a new data table starting from the row #1. So I hope that you found this review helpful. If you have any more questions or any questions at all, do not hesitate and contact me through the request button here. Also subscribe to my Facebook group LeadsBot #2 so you can start generating leads by messaging them on Facebook Messenger.